trying to get the feel of my new Seeker35 XL from Deepspace. It has their new Aether 2005 motors that feel like really good 2004 motors. It has an analog VTX that can broadcast 1.3 watts and works well with whatever camera they are using. Has AM10 GPS mounted under the camera mount, which I'm using a DJI Osmo Nano camera, which I am also enjoying. The drone is running their stock tune. Later in the video, I will throttle the motors to 100% so we can hear the sound they make. And I can get a GPS top speed which was 86 miles per hour with not a great angle. Kind of interesting weather to fly in. It was just starting to rain, and I really wanted to get another flight in. You can see the rain clouds blowing in over the lake and coming up and over my bluff.